You're here to grow, you're here to change. So let's begin. You want to know how to stop this spiral. You want something that actually works. Not tomorrow, not next month, now. You're not here for comfort. You're here for answers. And this is the truth. Most people give up one step too soon. Not because they're weak, but because no one told them the fight always feels worst just before it breaks. So if you're thinking of quitting, listen. If you've hit the wall, listen. If you're burnt out, breaking down, spinning, listen. Here's why it feels like this. You're carrying more than you're built for. It's as simple as that. You can't hold it all alone. And the part of you that's shutting down isn't the problem. It's the signal. Your exhaustion, your doubt, that voice saying, what's the point? It means you're closer than you think. You're at the line. So here's what you do next. You don't go big. You go exact. Right now, do one thing. Right now. Speak one truth out loud. Move your body, even for 30 seconds. Message one person who knows the real you. Write down the next thing you will do, not someday, but today. Then do it. It's as simple as that. Just do it. Speak the truth. I'm not done. I'm not giving up. Get up, move around, go out for a walk, even for 30 seconds. Movement will bring you back. Message that person who knows the real you. Hi, John. This is what's going on. What do you think? I nearly gave up. Or write the thing that you're going to do next. Your intention. I'm going to write the next chapter of my book. I'm going to write a plan. Whatever it is, write it down. It's your intention. Do it, okay? That's how you'll win. That's how you won't give up. You're making yourself to do it. Not by changing everything. It's just one little thing, right? It's not difficult to stop yourself from giving up. I'm writing your intention. You decide and do it. Because success isn't on the other side of perfection. A lot of people strive for perfection, right? And therefore, they don't carry on, or they don't start. It's not perfection worth seeking. Success is on the other side of this moment, right now, where you nearly gave up. So don't give up. If this hits you in the gut, if it resonated with you, you know what to do, right? Follow, share, send it to somebody who needs it the most, who might need it even more than you. Somebody who is also standing on the edge, tottering backwards into defeat, or stepping forward into success, into growth. This has been My Mind First. Push the positive and drop the negative. Positive steps toward a better you and yours. Not tomorrow. Now. Right now.